I keep seeing this glare. Like you can see the window reflecting. Like, what is that? Anyway, did you know that one large avocado has about 4 grams and one banana has 1.5 grams? And when you eat an avocado, a majority of the time, you don't eat the whole thing. You eat some of it, not all of it. So you might only be getting about a gram and a bunch of fat. So if you want the fat, if you need that, because you need that, that equals energy, guys. We want to eat fat. We just want good fat. Anyway, if you want the fat, then eat the avocado. But if you just want some protein, you can actually have a banana. A whole large banana is like 1.5 grams. So banana doesn't have the fat, but it does have the sugar. But good sugar, because it's the kind of sugar your body likes. The fruit kind. So pick your protein. Yo, good morning. So I think that I hit, like, what do they call it? See, I lost it. The overworked, overwhelmed, what's the word I'm looking for? Burnout. Yes, that's what happened. I think I've achieved burnout. Yeah. Okay. I need to work because it's like Friday. It's Friday. I was going to say Thursday. I really was going to say Thursday. I need to work. But I'm also experiencing that frozen feeling, you know? And I think it's because of this GoPro, I can't speak, this GoPro disaster, okay? Disaster. I'm going to tell you what happened. Are you ready? I went to Best Buy because my GoPro was overheating. Like, I would take a video and it would just overheat and turn off. And I thought it was because it was a hot summer, but it wasn't. It just keeps happening, even when I'm not in the sun, okay? And when it's not hot. But the GoPro can't handle doing its job, so it just turns off. So I'm like struggling. So I take it to Best Buy because this motherfucker costs a lot of money. And they do the return. Turns out it costs $275 more today than it did in February. So they did the return, but they almost charged me $200 on my credit card. And I'm like, no. We're exchanging this. And anyway, I got to the car, unpacked it. Oh, by the way, I had my GoPro container here filled with my shit. And I didn't empty it out. So when I was in there and I was exchanging it, I had to empty my stuff out, which was a lot of little things, and they didn't have a bag. They don't have bags in New Jersey Best Buys. There's no bags there, so I stuffed everything in my pockets. I looked ridiculous. They were like out here. My memory cards, my little fucking things, because I had all my shit in there. And I get to the car and it's not good. It's damaged because twice they dropped it. The guy taking it out of the cage dropped it. He fumbled it like a football. And the girl was like ringing it up and elbowed it right off the counter. So like, I'm like, oh my God, I'm not going back in there. That took so long. I'm just going to go to East Brunswick because it's like, it's fine. It's in the direction I'm going. So we're just going to go to that one. It'll be 2 minutes. It'll be fine. No, I was wrong. It wasn't fine. The GoPro was locked in a cage and none of their key cards were opening the door. So they legit took the motherfucking thing apart. Now I'm standing there waiting for like a half an hour, maybe more. I got to take my kid to an appointment. I'm like just chilling. My back is really hurting from standing. And I don't know if you know, I have an SI joint injury from the Lira hoop, and it just hurts when I stand. And so I'm just standing there suffering, trying to lean up against things so it doesn't hurt. And they come back and tell me this. And they have the GoPro and they do the transaction and I go. But the GoPro comes in a box with all the accessories. It has to be charged, it has to be up, it has to be set up. All the preferences has to be changed. It's just a fucking headache. So that is my frozen dilemma. I just feel like I have so much to do with this GoPro and setting it up so I can do my other job later. And I need to do all this office work. And it's just like, you know how you have something that is so important and you have to do it, but it's a little bit overwhelming, so you just don't want to. And you'll just do anything else. You'll clean the motherfucking house. You'll organize your sock drawer, your bathroom cupboards, like anything to not have to do the overwhelming thing. It's called productive procrastination, and I am a culprit. I bet you are too. We all do it. There's also self-sabotage when you know, like, if you don't do the thing, you're gonna not be successful. You have to do it. And then you just self-sabotage yourself because you, like, make up other things to do, like this GoPro. Like, maybe I didn't even need to exchange it. Maybe. Maybe I just wasted my entire day yesterday for no reason. Just because of the burnout. And my brain is just not functioning. Life. This is real, okay? Right here.